Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at GBP USD. So yesterday, which was on the 12th, we actually did analysis on this GBP USD. I told you guys that we will be expecting a bullish move for the 12th. Guess what? We actually had the bullish move, right? Today we also had a bullish move, which is 13, right, on GBP USD. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. Now, I want you guys to know that if you've not subscribed, right, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. And secondly, this will be based on technical aspect on it. We all know that a news will be released tomorrow. And the news that will be released tomorrow is kind of like difficult to predict, right? Because there's no much data on the news that will be released tomorrow. So I can't really gather much of this information, by the way. So this is one of the reasons why it will be very difficult for us to know what this price will be moving for the next day. But on this, we'll be analyzing it on the technical aspect only. So this is the technical aspect only. So before you place a trade, one thing that will come to your mind is that what is the trend for that movement, right? So we clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. Price is, giving us an higher highs and an higher lows. Secondly, you can see that we've added this 10 period moving average, which will actually guide us. We all see that this price is trading above our moving average, right? We are seeing an higher highs and an higher lows, right? So price is trading above our 10 period moving average. So we can see here's an impulse move. We'll take this as a correction. Then we'll consider this as a new highs. And here comes a correction. Take a look at this again, new highs on the technical aspect only. So you will see that there's a correction here. And here comes a new highs. Then we've gotten an higher lows, a new highs here. And here comes an higher lows, right? Now this is a new highs. And notice that this new highs that you've gotten actually broke this previous highs. So that is to tell you that this GBP USD, we are still on a bullish move. So we will still want to see it move further up before we expect a pullback on this GBP USD, as we are seeing. As you can see, an impulse move, a pullback, impulse move, pullback, impulse move, pullback. So we just made a new highs for today, right? Today we gave us that new high. So price have gone up, broken our previous highs. So we still want to see this price push up further before we have a pullback. So that is to tell you that for the 14th, right, let us see if GBP USD will actually give us a bullish move. As you can see the trend, which is bullish, you can still see the price still trading above our 10 period moving average. So we should be expecting our price to actually open and close bullish for the next day. So GBP USD on the daily time frame, we still speculate a bullish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So you can take a look at this movement here. You can see this 4-hour time frame, the full trend. You can see that this price is ranging. We are seeing an higher highs. We are seeing an higher highs and an higher lows. That is one. We can still see that this price is still trading above our moving average, right? As long as it is still trading above our moving average, then this is still a buy movement. So you can now see on this 4-hour time frame, once price came to this resistance level, we had a rejection around this level, right? Price kind of came close to this level again, and we saw price rejected. So one of the reasons why we've highlighted this level higher. So once we see that this price have broken above it, of course, we expect price to give us a pullback, which is what we've gotten here on the 4-hour time frame. Now that we've gotten a pullback, what do we expect on this movement? We expect a further movement up. So that is why one of the reasons why for the next day, which is 14, we should expect this GBP USD to give us a bullish move. So be expecting a bullish move on this GBP USD, right? For the both the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, we are expecting a bullish move. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. So you can clearly see that this price have dropped, and now price wants to start pushing up. So if in case this price will drop again, do not be surprised. If in case this price will drop, then we should see it reject at this level, which I don't think it will actually drop. But if it drops, then there's no problem. We should see that rejection at a level of 1.23170. Currently, we are trading at 1.23691. So if in case it will drop, then we should see it drop at a level of 1.23170 and give us that bullish move. So above all, we should see our price open and close bullish for the next day, which is on the 14th.